Some milestones yesterday in that 23-0 win for the Seahawks over the New York Giants. First and foremost, Eli Manning, his worst home performance of his career. He is forced into 5 interceptions by the Legion of Boom and the Seattle Seahawks defense, who incidentally now #1 in yards allowed, #1 in points allowed in the NFL. Clearly the #1 defense overall in the league. Another milestone, Russell Wilson, 50 touchdown passes. His 50th was to Doug Baldwin yesterday, and Russell Wilson joins Dan Marino and Peyton Manning as the only 3 quarterbacks to ever throw 50 or more touchdown passes in their first 2 years in the league. And also win number 23 for Russell Wilson in his pro career. He surpasses Ben Roethlisberger for the most wins of any second-year quarterback in the NFL. Now we turn the page. Arizona coming up at 1 o'clock on Sunday. Arizona still very much with something to fight for after their win over Tennessee in overtime this past week. So Seattle's going to have to take a punch from the Cardinals, but we know what happens at CenturyLink Field. It ends up in a victory. It ends up in a 13-2 Seattle Seahawks record, and they clinch the #1 overall seed in the NFC, and they can rest some folks in that final game against St. Louis. With your Drop Cam Sports Minute, I'm Dick Fain.